this is what it looks so far. I'm just taking it just like, it's pretty much just like a Dutch braid. It is. It's exactly just like a Dutch braid, but you're just going all the way around the head, if you see. I'm almost done with this one look. Now I'm just gonna braid it like regular. Take this, twist it around like so. And we're gonna tuck this, because we don't want this blue thing sticking out, so we're gonna tuck this under like so. If you could. Hi guys, this is my finished look. This is, I call, a new evolved halo braid slash goddess crown. I just took this all the way up to here. This is the finished look, and I ended it with this very nicely done, just kind of this flowered, almost braided. I just circled the braid in there, guys. If you look, I like what I see. I hope you like what you see. Follow my Instagram, follow everything, follow James. I think it looks great. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.